Hi everyone, this is Ashwini from Makeup Diaries by Ashwini. Today I'm here to show you a couple of simple hairstyle techniques. For the looks that we are creating today, I bought all the products from Beauty Store by Big Basket. Her hair is slightly oily today, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start with a dry shampoo. The one I have today is Pro Woman Dry Shampoo. Okay, so we'll take sections of the hair and spray it from a distance. So what a dry shampoo really does is when you have oily hair and when you've not had time to wash your hair, this removes the oiliness from the scalp and it also gives volume and density to your hair. Just massage it into the scalp. So let's start with blow triangle hair. So what I've done right now is I've made sections to help me blow dry properly, and so let's start. I've sectioned her hair to straighten it out now, and before you use any styling tools, please always use a heat protection spray. The one I'm using today is Schwarzkopf. So take a section of the hair and spray the heat protection spray before starting any hairstyling. For people with hair fall concern, this is Dr. Batra's Hair Vitalizing Serum. Just put it onto your scalp and massage it, and it helps control hair fall. So there are different types of curls, and today I'm going to demonstrate one basic curling technique. Okay, and before I curl a hair, what I generally like to do is use a mousse. Okay, the one I'm using today is Schwarzkopf Taft Ultimate Mousse, and I'm going to take some of it on my hand, looks funny, and then massage it into my hand, apply it to the length of the hair. So this gives a definition to the curls and it holds the curls for longer duration. So done with beautiful curls. You can run your hand through the curls to make it look more bigger and luscious. So that's a final look.